Hi, I'm Kyle Mitchell with Whitaker Brothers. We came out in our warehouse today for a quick tour of the Datastroyer DCS 300. This is an NSA approved high security level 6 disintegrator. But before I talk about all the different features and benefits here, what is a disintegrator? You've got paper shredders for paper, you've got optical media shredders for optical media, but what do you do about all the other things out there? So for example, a uniform or thumb drives, or what if you still have paper, CDs and DVDs and all the rest of that material? You can put it all in a NSA approved disintegrator like the DCS 300. It's NSA approved. It is not better than a paper shredder paper. It is not better than an optical media shredded optical media, but it can do everything. That's why you get a disintegrator, to do everything. Come on in closer. I want to show you some of the different things that this DCS 300 can do. All right, so here's some of the common materials we see put into our disintegrators. We've got a thumb drive right here. No problem. Go right in this slot. We've got CDs and DVDs all day long. Very common application. We put these inside the slot as well. We've got paper right here. This will go inside the pre-shredder. You'll notice that we've got some staples and paper clips on this paper. That's not an issue. A disintegrator can handle soft metals and light plastics. That's exactly what it's designed for. All right, so this is the Datastroyer DCS 300. It's a disintegrator. So you're probably wondering, why is there a paper shredder on top of it? Well, this is a pre-shredder. This is something that we use to increase the productivity of the disintegrator itself. That's how we get up to 100 pounds NSA approved throughput. So anyhow, you would take just normal paper stock, you put it in here, it would cut it up to a certain level and make it very easy for the rest of the work to be done by the spinning blades that are below it. So this increases your productivity, but it's only for paper. What about for everything else? That's what this chute is for. Now you're going to notice when I let go, it comes back up. That's to prevent any kind of spit up. As these blades are spinning and striking your CDs and DVDs or your paper, sometimes some stuff might shoot up, and that's what the shield is going to block for you. But this is where you can put any kind of material that's going to be approved for your disintegrator in. So maybe we put a thumb drive, we put CD or DVD, any kind of media that you need to destroy to a high security level 6 specification. Over here we've got the user interface. This is real simple stuff. We've got the start button. You push this, machine turns on, the blades start rotating, you hit the emergency stop, it turns itself off. Doesn't get much easier than that. All right, so let's take a look at the guts of the DCS 300. We've got a few components to cover here, but the first one isn't even this white stuff. It's this gray stuff right here. The DCS 300 has its own soundproofing, and that doesn't mean that you can use it in an office environment while somebody's using the phone right next to you, but it does mean that it does somewhat of a job of mitigating its own noise. So it doesn't have to be used inside of a warehouse or on a different floor of the building. Right here we've got the throat, the chamber, where it falls into this area here, which has the rotating knives. The knives chop up the material until it's small enough to pass through a screen, which is found right about here. Now this screen, why does that screen work? We don't just rely on gravity. What we rely on is negative pressure. So there's going to be some sort of suction, some sort of evacuation, which your Whitaker Brothers sales rep will go over with you, that pulls the material through the screen. And that's how a disintegrator works. You put the material in, it gets chopped up until it's small enough to pass through the NSA approved screen, and the reason it passes through the NSA approved screen is because the evacuation system is sucking all the air it can get through there, and then it just sits in the evacuation system until you're ready to throw it out. So my name is Kyle Mitchell with Whitaker Brothers. Thank you for watching. This has been the Datastroyer DCS 300 NSA approved high security disintegrator from Whitaker Brothers. If you have any questions, you can mail us, you can email us, you can find us on Twitter, you can find us on Facebook, we're on LinkedIn, we're on everything. You can find 100 different ways you can reach us, and we're happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.